in America, we can live here only so long as this body lasts. When this body is finished, then we again have to take rebirth. We may not take rebirth in America. Where we will take rebirth, that is a very important question. According to the Bhagavad Gita, anyone who is born, he must die. Anyone who dies, he again must be born. So according to our consciousness, according to how we awaken ourselves spiritually, Krishna consciously, God consciously, that will dictate that after this body, what future birth we will obtain. So, along with trying to lead a happy life in this life, which is naturally our birthright, everyone has a right to enjoy happiness to the full extent without causing any harm to others or inflicting pain on oneself. Everyone has that birthright, but one should prepare himself for the next birth. Someone may work so hard to be a president or a prime minister, whether of India or United States. But in his next birth, he may become the bedbug in the chair of that president. He is so attached to the seat, he may become one of the bugs in that seat and have his heart's desire fulfilled. He wants to remain in that seat always. So he may stay there as a bug in the upholstery. According to one famous astrologer, one of the prime ministers of India took his next birth as a white dog in Sweden, where he was kept by a very wealthy industrialist who gave him very wonderful foodstuff and accommodation. Now, no one can say, it could be, how can we say that after this birth, where is the next birth?